Hello again. So just had a nice long meeting about what Epic Web is going to be, and just reviewing all of the things that I've done on these streams for the Rocket Rental app, and it's awesome. So yeah, lots to look forward to there. I've got about an hour or so before my next thing that I've got to go do, and that will be it for the day. And let's see, actually, also tomorrow I've got office hours in the morning, and then yeah, some stuff in the afternoon. Excuse me. So let's see. Yeah, so I actually will be live streaming again tomorrow afternoon, so that's all good. So for the hour that I've got, I'm going to be finishing abstracting the combo box, because we're in a pretty good place for that. So fun stuff. It's going to be great. Let's go. And let's also get centered going. Okay, so, yep, I was looking at my notes. So where we left off was we've got this geo search combo box and this basic search combo box. These two combo boxes that I want to be built on top of the more generic search combo box. And that is what we're going to do here. And so I think the pieces, the easiest one to take would be this basic search combo box, and abstract this further to be able to support the use cases of the geo search combo box. So first of all, I think yeah, the search param schema, I'm not sure about that. So like all of this stuff is the same. Actually, you know what would be handy is to look at a git diff between the two. See what's the same. There we go. Git diff no index app components and geo or basic search combo box tsx. There we go. All right, so to get from geo to basic, here, let's swap those actually. Whoops. Basic. There we go. So we add the geo item, a geolocation prop, some more search params. I think the search params we're going to make completely custom. We will take, we'll keep the item to string, item to key, and render item in list as props that we're going to need. Yeah, and we'll keep the item type. We'll pass that along. Yep, that's all looking good so far. And then this use effect will be a little different also. So we will pass in a function that generates the search params. In fact, maybe we'll just pass in a callback that performs the search, and we'll pass the input value. And that's it, actually. Probably just pass the input value. And then, yeah. Okay, good. So the only thing that it looks like we need to do, actually, is this. Hold on. So, okay, backing up. Maybe this exclude IDs and the query are common between them both. I think let's keep that commonality. That is for what we're doing, a search combo box. You have a query, you want have things you want to exclude. That's pretty, at least in all of our use cases that we actually do have, we have those two things that we need. So we'll keep those, and then we'll just have a callback that allows you to augment the search params for submitting the search. So I wonder if we could just say, let's see, update search params for query for search, and pass in the search params. And that's optional. Yep. Got to close it and open it again so that VS Code realizes that, oh, you want tabs in here. Because a brand new file, it's going to just assume spaces, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, so it's going to want us to stick that in the dependency array, which stinks. Yeah, this is where making abstractions is no fun with React, because you have to start dealing with dependency arrays, and that is not fun. But we definitely have to do that in here. So let me give me a second. I just had an idea that could simplify this a fair bit, but I need to look at something here really quick. Okay. All right. Good. I just had an idea. What if we do that? And then we have our search params string. Yeah, and then we change it from fetcher submit to fetcher load. I don't think that we've got this issue with fetcher load. Resource URL. And then we can convert that, whoops. Convert to a template string. We'll call this the fetch URL. Stick that there. Fetch URL. Yeah. Holy smokes. That would be great if this works. Yeah, and then we can just do exclude. Yeah, that's way better. That is so much better. Okay, so I believe this will work. So that rocks. And then coming back here. What if we instead do search params as an object? That's going to be record, string, and string, or array of strings. No, because we're in control of the input value here. So we could say additional, or yeah, search params, additional search params. Yep. Key value. Cool. Yeah, that's way better. Yep, that's rad. That is rad. I think that's it. So let's move over the basic search combo box and see if those ones work. This is the search combo box. I think actually we're going to want to do this a little differently here. Keep that base options around. And this will have all of these. We'll call these our search combo box option or props. And the basic search combo box accepts all those same things except for additional search params. Hold on a second, host. Yeah, so I think this can just, yeah, no, we're going to keep the base options. We're going to omit the, come on, you should be able to know what I'm trying to do here. And you're complaining because additional search params needs to be provided. And actually, you know what? That should not even be required. Sweet, so then the host combo box is satisfied. Oops. And the search param schema, yeah, so basically we're saying the only things you can, hold on. Yeah, so these are the things that users of the basic search combo box. So we've got 3 layers. We've got the search combo box and the basic, and then implementation. So this host combo box or any of these implementations typically only need customization of the exclude and on-change. And that is all the basic search combo box looks like. We're not done. We may end up removing this basic search combo box. In fact, yeah. What if we do? What happens? Yeah, what we lose is base options, basically. Because we don't really have a very good place to put that. Yeah, we're going to keep it. Okay, let's make sure that this still works. Okay, come in here and brand. Something's busted. Whoa! DDoSing myself. Yeah, that's probably because of this change that I made here. All right, pause. It's freaking out. I just need to get an idea of what's going on here. So, those URLs look exactly the same. Pause. The fetcher is probably changing. That's what's going on. Yeah. Probably. React use effect. Yeah, so the fetcher is changing. That's annoying. The fetcher is not stable. So let's get our load ref. There we go. Beauty. Ah, that's so sweet. Yep, that's great. Okay, so now with that, we're going to keep the basic search combo box just so that we can have this nicer, very slightly, but still nicer API for the basic use case. And then this is going to basically be delete all this. We're going to actually, hold on. It's going to look kind of like this, actually. Okay, and this is going to just be item ID, item display name. So be resource URL. Actually, label is included in that, isn't it? No, it's not. So coming back, label. Forget that. We can get rid of this, and it'll just come along for the ride. Resource URL as well, actually. And then this will be item, and this is what it renders. And then the last bit that's important is additional search params. And yes, we have geolocation in here. And that's literally just geolocation. Oh, those need to be converted to numbers. Dang it. And then this can be deleted. Yep. Okay, and oh, that's not a type. Oh, you want to pull in the actual thing. There we go. Yep. Okay, I think that should work. Man, that stack trace is wrong because the source maps are busted. I don't know what I'm doing wrong with that, but source maps just basically never work for me ever. I'm just wasting time now. Yeah, I could do that really quick. Sometimes I do this. Don't hold it against me. Sometimes I don't want to think about what I'm doing, and so I do something that's easier. Okay. Well, that's not helpful. I think I know what's going on. It's because I do this union thing. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to search params test. Handles unions. Yeah, I bet we're getting a yeah, we're probably getting an error in our starport combo box. Yep, right there. So TypeScript would have helped me if I'd been paying attention. Or z.zod union. z.zod raw shape. I have no idea. Give me a second. My son wanted tips on doing a backflip. They set up, I don't know, something. It's too snowy outside to jump on the tramp, so they were trying to, I don't know. I don't know. And I don't know about this either. Yeesh. I don't know how to do this. Okay, yeah, we're gonna just go back, undo all this. We're not gonna support that. And we'll just, there is gonna be a little duplication there for now. Okay, well, let's see. Looks like that's working. Yeah, that totally works. Oh man, this is so cool. The amount of state management that I'm not doing right now boggles the mind. It's amazing. Yeah, that is so cool. Okay. I would say this is a fairly tight abstraction. It really only supports what like the specific use cases that we've got, and that's okay. But yeah, so all of this combo box related stuff were used. There's a fair bit of this that's a little bit more on the complex side, so that's cool. Just configuration, declarative stuff. Here's the stuff that doesn't really abstract very well. Yeah, there we go. That rocks. Finish combo box abstraction. We'll see what things look like when I try to use this in some other place in the app. We might have another place in the app. But when I do that, it will be a duplication effort. Before I use the abstraction, you duplicate the abstraction, and then you figure out if there's something close enough. Yeah, I feel pretty stellar about this. This is pretty good. Okay. Now, let's look at the search here. I'm pretty sure this is as good as we're going to get this query to be. It's just a complicated query. Like, look, check this out. If we go to DB server and we go verbose, and then we come here and we're going to add 2 of everything. I don't know what that's complaining about. We can deal with that later. And then we have our dates. And we have our min and our max. And our daily charge, and our min rating. Okay, all of those things. That last query that was just executed. Whoa, look at that URL. Oh my gosh. Oh, I gotta restart the server. Rats. But, cool thing about using search params, this means I can hit this. And it's all that state is preserved. Ah, that's so rad. But look, to grab all of this from here to there. Okay, format SQL. Incorrect syntax. Oh. Well, boo on that. Try something that's a little more flexible. Format. Desktop version, huh? Oh, error. Apparently it doesn't really like that. But anyway, this is just nuts. Man, none of these formatters. Code beautify. There we go. This thing was okay with it. Oh, there's the nonsense. All right. I accidentally got another URL get request in here. There we go. Okay. It's not quite as big as I thought, but look, there is so much stuff in this. So here's what it takes to calculate the average rating. But we're optimizing the query. Oh, it's so sick. Host ratings as host average rating. And then select the average rating from I think I could probably get rid of this. And I could probably just take this whole thing and stick it in place of this one. Starport and city. Here are my cities. Probably would be good to test it with some real data so I can get an idea if this actually does work, because it seems to, and everything that I've checked, it is returning correct results, but I'm just not positive. So here, the one that I'm least confident about is the city. Yeah, that's Shoop whatever LLC, which is right there. Yep. Pretty sure that's working. Blows my mind how great it is. It's awesome. Well done myself. Okay, I'm gonna wrap up. I need to take a break, rest. I've got my son has a something going on, piano thing that I'm going to go to see. So I'm going to end it for today. But yeah, I would say that we are done for now refactoring the search. It's still big. There's some definitely some utilities I could make, especially for these combo boxes, because we showed these ULs and all this stuff. But I'm gonna wait till we get designs for that. So we're gonna say that's done, and what that means is I'm gonna pull up centered again because I just closed it, but we've refactored search related code. We're not going to debug the memory leak anytime soon. And we're going to get back to creating ships and editing ships. I'm thinking we're going to maybe do the admin page, but I think I want to make it more of a dashboard thing. I was just thinking a dashboard would be really nice and would also teach a lot of things that I think would be useful for people to see. So yeah, that was fun. Thanks for the joining me for this quick live stream, and I hope you all have a marvelous day. Bye.